We're going to practice some subtraction today. So I want you to pause the video and get out your 10 frame and either your cubes or your beans or your bears or something else you might have at your house that you can use to put in our boxes for counting. So pause the video, go get your supplies, and come right back. All right, so we are going to use I'm going to use my cubes today. You can use whatever tool you want, but we're going to be working on building the same subtraction sentences. So first, we're going to build 6. So take whatever your material you have and make 6. Here's one way you might have made your 6. You could have put your 6 in 3 and 3. There are different ways that you can build your 6. It doesn't really matter how you build it. The important part is that you have 6. So count and make sure you have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count yours and make sure you have 6. Your extra cubes that you might have, or your extra pieces, you're going to just put those to the side. We do not need to worry about those anymore. We have 6, and now we're going to take away 1. We're going to remove 1. We built 6 and we removed 1. How many is left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 left. So I'm going to write down that subtraction sentence. We had 6, we removed 1, or we call that take away 1, and that equals 5 left. 6, take away 1 equals 5, and it's right here. We had 6, that represents this number. We took away 1, remove 1, and now we are left with 5. So 6 minus 1 equals 5, or 6 subtract 1 equals 5, or 6 take away 1 equals 5. There's different ways to read that number. Let's do another one. This time, build 3. Build 3. Remove 2. Took the 2 and I removed them. How many is left? What's the difference now? Now we have 1 left. I said build 3 and remove 2. And our difference equals 1 left here. When we subtract, we start with a number, we take some away, and we end up with a smaller number. We had 3 at first, and then when we take it away, it gets smaller. 3 minus 2 equals 1. All right, build 5. Build 5. Make sure you have 5. I know it's 5 because that's the top of my 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can still make sure. Now, remove 5. I built 5, and then I removed 5. What's the difference? Or how many are left? 0, nothing. We built 5. Then we removed 5, we took away 5, now we have 0. 5 minus 5 equals 0. All right, 2 more to go. Build 8. All right, I want to make sure I have 8. I could say 5, 6, 7, 8. I could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or I could think, this is almost a 10, but we've got 2 missing. That also is another way to figure out that is 8. Okay, I built 8. Now I want you to take away 4. We're going to see what we get. What is left when you take away 4? What's the difference? 1, 2, 3, 4. 8, take away 4, equals 4. Okay, I'm going to erase it and you build 10. Last one, build 10. It's a 10 frame, so everything's going to be covered. 5 on the top and 5 on the bottom. We're going to start with 10. And we're going to take away 7. So take away 7. I took away 7, and what's my difference? Or how many is left? 3. 10 minus 7 equals 3. We built it, we removed it, and we can also see what it looks like in our subtraction sentence. All right, today for your work, you're going to have some problems that will look like this, and I want you to use your 10 frame. You can use your 10 frame and your cubes or your bears or your beans. Use something to practice building and removing when you do subtraction. If you don't have a 10 frame, they're pretty easy to draw. You can get a piece of paper, you can get your whiteboard. You just need to build a rectangle. Draw a line in half, and you have to make sure you have 5 sections. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the top and 5 on the bottom. If you're having problems drawing it, if you've lost yours, you can ask somebody to help you draw it so you still have a 10 frame. Okay, it's time to practice your other work.